What's Whop, you ask? Whop is like the Swiss Army knife of online business tools, except way cooler and built specifically for digital creators and educators. Whether you're starting a paid community, offering killer services, or selling digital products that'll make people say, "Take my money," Whop's got your back. This isn't your average platform. Whop is custom built to help you crush it in the online world. Think customizable storefronts, seamless membership management, and integrated payment solutions that make getting paid as easy as pie. It's basically your business's new best friend. Here's the fun part. Whop is like a box of Lego bricks for entrepreneurs. You've got all the pieces you need to build the business of your dreams, and they all snap together perfectly. Want to add a learning management system? Done. Need subscription services? Easy. Craving some community building tools? You got it. Mix, match, and create something as unique as your vision. And the cherry on top, Whop doesn't cost a dime to get started. Yep, you can dive in, start building, and focus on what really matters, growing your business and making your mark. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get started and let's Whop and roll.